Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax. I'm on this Grady White 306 Canyon. I'm gonna do a walk around video for you. So at the back of the boat, this boat has twin Yamaha 350 horse outboards. These are joystick piloted motors with fish point and all of those nice things for when you're offshore. You see along the transom, got a nice huge insulated fish box with a flip up transom seat for while you're headed out to the spot to go fish. On the port side, got a nice dive door with a spot to put a ladder. You've got your fresh and raw water wash downs. Behind the helm chairs, you've got a huge aerated live well, as well as a sink basin to the port side of that. On the starboard side of the boat, you'll see we've got a nice stowaway step for getting on and off the dock easily and comfortably. It stores nice and out of the way. You can remove it so you can use the lockable rod storage. If you want to keep that, there is more lockable rod storage on the port side of the boat as well. Up at the helm station, we've got two super comfortable bucket seats with flip down bolsters and a flip down rest here so you can stand or sit. And you've also got a couple extra footrests. You'll see we've got our Yamaha joystick piloting, trim tabs, autopilot controls, your Yamaha Helmmaster, and all your switching for your components. On the starboard side of the console, so you've got three nice cup holders, as well as your Fusion Audio head unit, and a couple of charge ports as well. As you make your way forward, you'll notice we've got a nice spot for an isinglass wing enclosure to help while you're going offshore, if it's raining or super windy and you want to keep the weather off of you. Starboard entry to your oversized head compartment. You do have a separate sink down in here as well as a shower head. And then up at the bow, you can see the full glass windshield with windshield wiper. You've got spreader light. You got some hooks for your bow shade, ample seating. You can make this a full lounge. You can take the centerpiece out, have a couple of U-shaped loungers. This backrest does pop out and move out of the way. And when it's set up like it is now, it's a great casting platform for while you're fishing offshore. On the very nose, you've got your windlass anchor. You can access everything here, put your safety lock in, and then you've got physical controls for your windlass on the bow as well. If you're looking for a boat like this, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help.